I'm shocked. It's great to have some normality. I'm in Bangkok today with the family doing some shopping. We've had our new kitchen fitted, so need some accessories and bits and bobs. So we've come to IKEA at Mega Bang Na, and it's packed. And I must say, it feels rather liberating to be around people. So it's taken us an hour and a half to drive from Pattaya, and the first thing my wife wanted to do was come for the customary meatballs in IKEA. And just look, we're having to queue. I must say, I've forgotten what it's like to queue. Heaving with people. I stand corrected. I don't miss queuing at all. 3 or 4 minutes so far. The end is in sight. We're almost up to our food.
With macaroni.
Wouldn't be in IKEA without these meatballs. We've almost done. Just payment time, Danny, and then we can eat, alright? I'm starving, are you? Just like being in McDonald's is. Replace the Big Mac with the Swedish meatball. Can we get a seat? Never guess this is COVID time, would you? Very refreshing. I'm glad we've done it this way around. I'm starving after that drive from Pattaya. Got to admit, the fact I can't travel outside the country, eating my Swedish meatballs and seeing this flag is about as close as I can come to travel for probably the next 6 months. Ready to go shopping?
Yeah.
Okay, off we go.